Well,
What's up, Goon Squad? We're sliding to the hunting property to see if we can kill a turkey or 10 on opening weekend. Yesterday was opener. I didn't go because I was lazy. I didn't do any scouting. Still haven't done any scouting, by the way. But we're just going to blue ball it, or free ball it. We're going to free ball it, and we're going to go. We're going to have a great time, and we're going to hike. It's going to suck. But we're
insulated pants.
He's in insulated pants. His legs are going to be sweating, which it's warm. I mean, the truck says it's 82. Let's see what the phone says. The phone says 79. So either way, it's hot. But we're going to try to get us a big bird down today. And we will let y'all know if we do. The dog's tweaking. Well, if we die, we'll holler at you. And we'll let you know something. But we should be fine. I'm going to try to get us some water, too.
Them chugs, them cars, it's for everybody. Just listen. Everybody, man. KBoys the wave, nigga. Look. Hey, white boy. Come show me your chart. Wanted to see if you had enough time. Cause we hit a dig and got stuck. Hey, young nigga. Heard that you finally killed you a buck. Let's go. Finna go buy you a Weatherby, nigga. Let's go and go kill.
We have made it to the property.
Made it to the trap.
Free food shiesty.
Yeah, honestly, if you think Gucci Mane did it better, unsubscribe. Fish Icy's on top. FDO, FTO.
Big 30 still eating donuts.
Big 30 still blocking the door with the Krispy Kreme 12 pack in his hand. And if you think that Gucci Mane's diss track was hard, you ain't got no brain cells or no ball knowledge.
See if we can hear something. You gotta keep walking.
You see that?
What?
That owl.
Oh, it was out.
You got three right there.
Where?
Yeah. You see it?
No.
Which one are you looking at?
I don't see it on camera either.
See?
Oh shit. There he was. He's gone now. Whose camera's that? Whose camera's that?
That's ours. I think Dad wants me to pull that camera.
I was hoping it was Ben. Or Akinator.
I think it's theirs.
Is it? Is it your dad's or Ben's?
I don't know. Don't do that. Ain't no fucking animal follow like.
Going SEAL Team 6 out here. converted from Drake to Sicko all of a sudden. Hmm.
Come on, man, what the fuck is you doing, cuz?
They need sanded.
Fuck.
You're better off using the box.
Yeah, fuck that thing. That box sounds like shit too.
Better than fucking that.
The box needs chalked.
Nope. No.
Fucking mosquitoes.
Yeah, I'm getting 8. My asshole's getting 8 bad.
Thought you liked it.
Not no more.
About ready for deer season.
Well, could've shot that owl.
Oh, hell no, you couldn't. Especially with that camera in your hand, you're actually going to jail.
TWRA, that was a prank. That was a joke.
Well, I've been in the woods long enough in Louisiana to know that when you look at a distance and you see green britches coming through the brush at a pretty good rate of speed, discretion is the better part of valor. It's just best to run. Probably.
I really don't know the best way to skin an owl if you're supposed to skin it like a crane or like a bald eagle.
I don't know. TWRA, that was also a joke. We're just kidding.
Pranksters. Shit's good.
Comment down below if you want to see 24 hours in Walmart.
I'm not getting banned from a local Walmart.
We're gonna make a toilet paper fort.
Get banned. I can't. I got shop in there.
They got good stuff in there. They got Drift in there. Drift air fresheners.
The one over there or the one at home?
Any of them.
I didn't know they had Drift at the one next to the house.
I'm pretty sure they do.
I'm about to go get like 4 of them.
Alright, so we're gonna do a meetup at the Halls Walmart next weekend. No, we're not.
Next weekend's Rod Run. I'll be at Rod Run.
He's going. I got other shit to handle. Flintlock wood. Very good.
Flintlock wood! Just a second. I'm in the middle of it.
So, if you look here, fans, these are white-tailed doe tracks. And the reason that I knew that those are white-tailed doe tracks is because there's a white-tailed doe right there.
Focus. Yep.
Big old bitch.
That's a bear.
I seen 6 bears yesterday. And that's no bullshit. I think I heard the butt end of something. I don't know.
It's far away, but I fucking heard it. I swear. I heard like go on. Like it was very short, very quick. I thought it was after that first call.
I thought I heard it burn into something. Like the end of it. That sounds like shit.
Beg your pardon.
Not the fucking bird. Fuck. Oh fuck. Yeah, cut all that shit out. I don't want people to see me doing that.
Oh, nice little spring.
Hell yeah, I love that spring.
Should we head that way?
That way, no.
What's wrong? What's wrong with that way?
That way leads straight up.
Oh, so it's this way.
Well, this way's a lot easier straight up.
I'm already sweating.
That one, see how this one goes kind of like that?
Mm-hmm.
That one goes
Like, we
like.
talking like straight up.
So this road kind of goes like that. The other road goes.
Yeah. I got a lot of people bitching that I'm not on camera a lot.
And that you don't make videos enough.
We took one fucking week. One week. For Jesus.
If
Keep
you
in
wanna
mind.
know, like, why we don't upload, there's 2 other social medias that we post on to let y'all know if we don't upload.
The fuck was that?
Dude, a tree just fell.
And I was recording.
Hey, you know what that means?
What?
If a tree falls in the woods and nobody's around to hear it, it still makes noise.
It's true.
I kind of want to go see that tree.
What? That sounded like up by the truck.
It is, technically. It's the middle field.
Interesting.
I watched it fall.
Oh, did you see it?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't see it.
yeah. I watched it.
I hope the audio caught that. That'd be funny.
That'd be neat.
Throw like an explosion or something.
Oh, put fire and shit on.
That's why we don't kill birds. We just sit here and yap.
Well,
Also, we've been here for an hour and haven't heard zero.
it would be different if we heard something. We'd be posted up, sitting pretty big, quiet.
Literally have walked probably a couple acres. Couple acres now. I'd say probably 2 football field.
That's how we've walked some
200.
200 yards.
Yeah.
I'd say at least. Just in a circle, pretty much. Just walking up hollers and down them to see if we can find any turkey birds. But I think turkey birds are like deer. Deer are AI.
See them everywhere else
Anywhere but here.
besides your property.
So
Jackson already got one. I'll throw a picture right here.
if this video gets 100 million likes, we'll buy hella property for turkey birds and deer birds and duck birds and shit.
Eagle. Another joke. TWRA, please do not.
Be quiet, don't talk about that.
Yeah, Jackson. I'll show it again. Jackson got a bird. I don't know. Let it rip again.
That's some bullshit.
I think it's time to go to the house and eat some gummy bears.
Eat something.
Pretty hungry.
Wonder what's for dinner.
Yeah, I miss family dinner. I ain't had nothing to eat.
We ain't had no family dinner in a while.
Shout out Ruben. Keeps canceling on us.
And Melanie, she loves to cancel. It's usually her.
Loves to cancel. Hunter getting sick. Hunter going fishing. Twice. I done just shit my pants. Low key.
I can't believe that tree just fell and we heard it. It's got me really, I can say myself, it's got me real, what's the word? Intrigued. It's got me real intrigued.
We should just go up there and figure it out. Damn, I've been filming for 5 minutes, just talking.
We'll catch y'all when we're at the top of the hill and out of breath.
Yeah, I need more Gatorade.
You have yours?
Yeah, about empty though. Oops. Got my Timbs on.
From the Bronx.
Shout out Pit Boy, W, Big W in the chat.
Shout out Pit Boy.
Big W and could have been love.
Trotsky.
Suck my
You ain't got it.
You took it.
Well, you got a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's on your chest. Okay, you.
It got real hot, real fast.
I agree.
Well, we tried before shooting light was over. Well, shooting light's not over, but there's not shit out here. Not today.
Not today.
Not a damn thing. It's real sad. I don't know what we're doing now. Probably going home.
You go house.
Eat something.
Yeah.
And take a nap. And go to work tomorrow. Shoot my head off.
I'm about to take these boots off to drive home.
Yep.
Feet hurt.
I just farted and it stinks really
It does.
bad.
It does.
Well, next weekend, rod run.
I'll be there.
Go find 5.9 patch. I won't be there. Don't come looking for me. Don't text me. Don't call me.
I might
Might be there in September.
do some video and maybe, I don't know.
There will be some sort of video from 5.9 Paget or Noah Z71.
Yeah, that's true.
One or the other. Say goodbye, friends.
Goodbye, friends. I see you next time. Hopefully we'll get a turkey.
Get a bird.
Maybe.
Bird is a word.
Just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy